Banchero. Big break for CB!
Makes it a one-possession ball game, Mr. Chris Banchero. Multiple possessions pa ito dahil 26.2 ang natitira dito, Chuck.
What a shot from Banchero from beyond the arc, giving him 21 points in this ball game. And Coach Kaloy Garcia talking with Rainorsine right now.
Hey, use the clock. Use the clock. They're going to foul. But they're going to trap first. Okay? Ed, Mark, JB. Okay. I want JB to make the first move. Then screen tayo dito for Ed. Ed, you go. Okay? Once Ed goes, Mark, pupunta to, ikaw pa flash dito. Okay? They're expecting that. So once Ed goes, if you get the ball to Ed, dumay ka. Then step in again. They're going to trap you. Hey, don't get relax down. We're still up by one. We're still up by one possession. Okay? Hey, pakinig kayo ulit, ha?
They will get us up. Whoever passes it.
JB.
It's been a war at the Mall of Asia Arena in Alaska in desperate times dahil ang kanilang huling laban against one of the top teams this conference, the Blackwater Elite, currently with a 6-3 card, could potentially be a top 2 seed as well.
Actually correct, 26 seconds to go. They're down by 3. Of course, again, both teams very much in need of a win. Nakita natin yung huddle ni Coach Kaloy doon. Oras na pag-upo niya din. I said no threes! And then a quick three-pointer coming from Chris Banchero. And he also mentioned na naging one possession. Pag coach ka, you still try to spin things into a positive. And that's what he was telling the guys. But we're still up. It's our ball. We're fine. Tingnan natin kung kailangan magandang inbound. Gabe Norwood ito.
Norwood getting it to Dakiwag. The trap sprung. Lusot si Dakiwag. Supalpal! Oh, who will this ball stay with?
If I'm not mistaken, MJ Ayaay. Pero still, they have to look at that just to make sure. Ganda sana ng atake na ni paring Ed Dakiwag right about
Lusot
here.
na, pero nandyan bigla si Simpson.
Mga kamay ni MJ. Oops.
Ooh!
Close.
Oh.
Thank the good Lord that we are here and not one of those the referees there. Ang hirap mga ganyan.
Kailangan natin ng HD. HD slow-mo. Para makita kasi daming kamay.
Another look at that. Siguro maya-maya.
Computer connected.
Ito na, nakapag-decide.
Oh, big
Goodness.
big turn of events there.
I know.
If you're Coach Kaloy Garcia, would you have rather Dakiwag take the ball out instead of drive?
There, it goes.
To see kung ano yung
Chris mentioned it. Some very nice numbers for Coach Alex. Assists.
naghahanap ka na ng 3-pointer or okay ka sa 2 points?
Pag quick 2, pag if it presents itself, pwede mong kunin. Kung maka-knockdown ka ng mga 2 seconds ng off of your game clock, pwede pa yan. 21 seconds. Then again, the 3-point shot, if it presents itself, good look to the basket. Fire.
Alaska used its final timeout. Rainorsine, may isa pa. Simpson. Enciso, 18 seconds remaining. Enciso over to Banchero. Banchero probing. A lot of time for Alaska, looking for threes. Enciso for the tie, no. Simpson put back, wala. Second serving, wala na naman.
Wow. Wow. Rain or shine, looking poised to get win number 4 dito.
That so many looks for Alaska. First, the tough shot. And isusubo na lang ni Simpson. Pero yung fade away putback niya, wala na naman.
Defended very well. Chris Banchero had nothing dun sa kanyang 3-point shot. Kaya kinilangan ipasa dito kay Simon Enciso. I think Ed Dakiwag was all over Chris Banchero. Wala siyang silip, wala siyang magandang look to the basket. This is the reaction of Coach Alex Compton.
JV Mokan, an 82% free throw shooter, takes care of the first. Again, wala nang timeout ang Alaska. So this 5-point cushion with 5 seconds remaining, that's enough time
My goodness.
for Alaska. I mean, for Shine rather, to come away with a victory, and what a gutsy performance for Shine, who lost Denzel Bowles for the entire second half. Nakiwag with the
Absence of the reinforcement. Denzel Bowles, this guy slipping, sliding, pulling up. Mark Borboran, you got 3-pointers. You got perfect free throws from Mr. Borboran. Another look at his nice jump shot over there. He's the best player of the ballgame, my friend.
Yes, sir. Ang lakas mo, batid sa inyo ng New Cobra Vitamin C. Lakas at proteksyon, Cobra, the number